Hello again. All right. Today we are going to work on letter sounds. So I'm going to show you two letters, but I'm only going to give you the sound, and I need you to tell me which letter makes that sound. So the first example is this. Can you point to the letter that says B? B. Nice job. The letter B says B. B. Good work. In our song, our phonics dance song goes B, B, B is baby, baby. B, B, B is B. Okay. Our next letter sound, can you point to the letter that says N? Which letter says N? Nice job. The letter N says N. N is nice, nice, nice. N. You are nice. N is in. Awesome job. Okay. Can you point to the letter that says J? Which letter says J? Good job. J says J, like Gigi. Nice job. J is jumping, jumping, jumping. J is J. Awesome work. All right, our next letter. Can you point to the letter that says which letter says Nice job. H says you should be able to feel your breath on your hand to know you're making the right noise. So is happy, happy, happy. I am happy is H. Nice job. Okay, our next letter. Can you find the letter that says O? O. Which letter says O? Nice job. The letter L says O. O is loud lion. O is L. Dallas has a couple L's in her name. Dallas. Okay, our next letter. Sound is kind of like you hear in fish. Which letter says Nice job. F says Our song for that is fuzzy funny underwear. Is F. Good job, like in Friday. We'll do two more. Can you find the letter that says D, as in dog or Dallas? Which one says D? Nice job. This says D. D. I'm a digging dog. D. I'm a digging dog. D is D. All right, and our last letter, can you find the letter that says Z? Z. Nice job. Z says Z, Z, as in Mackenzie. Z, Z, Z is zipper, zip. Z, Z, Z is Z. Awesome job. I hope you guys keep practicing at home. See you later.